Hello sweet family, so today we are going to be making some delicious bofrot or puff puff or botoquen, and if you want to know how I made this, then stay with me. So here I have lukewarm water and I just added sugar, just about a teaspoon of sugar. This will help the yeast to activate easily, and then 1 sachet of dry yeast. And I'll give it a stir. I'm just going to set it aside. And then here in my clean dry bowl, I just measure about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I added sugar. And then here I added salt. I have also milk powder, baking powder, and also I'm going to be adding some nutmeg. So I'm just grating some nutmeg. If you add the powdered one, you can also use it. And then about a teaspoon of margarine. So when you are preparing your bofrot, you measure everything according to the amount or the quantity of the flour that you're using. And then I'm just going to add in my yeast and then mix everything together. Please do feel free to use any type of milk that you want to add, and also if you don't want to add any milk at all, it is okay. By adding milk and margarine to your bofrot will help the bofrot to come out very soft and crunchy. So after I finish mixing it, I just cover this and I leave it overnight. I'm doing this in the evening and I'm going to leave it overnight to rise very well, because I want to fry this early in the morning for breakfast. So this is morning and you can see this has risen very well. You can see all the bubbling on top of it. And I'm just going to use my hand to give it a little bit more stir before I'm going to fry. So you can see how sticky and stretchy this is looking. So here I have my oil already on the fire. Just drop in a little bit of the bofrot to see if the oil is hot before I'll start dropping in. So you just scoop and drop, and you can do this according to the size that you want. And everybody wants the bofrot to be round, but sometimes you can't get it all round perfect, but it's okay. So you just scoop and drop, you just scoop and drop, and I'm frying this on a medium heat. You don't want the heat to be too high, if not you're going to get your bofrot burnt. The outside will be burnt, but the inside will not be well fried. So just make sure the fire is on a medium heat and fry this gently and slowly, and you can see everything is coming out perfectly and beautiful. So the first batch is done. I'm just going to take it out of the oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and fry the rest. I'll repeat this process until I am done frying. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you everyone that has been supporting this channel. I really appreciate all of you. And if today is the first time of clicking, you are highly welcome. My name is Pat. And thank you for clicking. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share my videos, and leave a comment if there is anything that you want to know. Just ask or just leave a comment in the comment section. So I'm done frying now and everything is looking golden brown. Beautifully fry slowly. And that's it. You can see it's all looking very well. Delicious. Very appetizing. And I'm going to be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box below. Please do feel free to check it out. And I hope you find this helpful. and I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.